Hi grade 10, it's Miss OD here. I'm just going to do a quick video about how to use sliders with Geogebra to help you investigate the sine curve. So when you open Geogebra, your screen will look like this. So to start with, we'll make it bigger. And we might just change the appearance of the graph to start with. And let's reduce that. So if you right click anywhere on the graph, you get this little box. Let's put a grid on there just to make it easier. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to change our axes. So if you right click again anywhere on the grid, it doesn't matter, go to graphics. We're going to change our scale on our X and Y axis. So we want the X axis to go from minus 360 to 360. And we'll make the Y go from minus 6 to 6. If we just go to the x-axis, I'm going to just change this. I want this to go up so it will show every 30. And on the y-axis, I want that to show every 1. Okay, so that just changes the look of our axes to start with. Okay, the next thing then you need to do is you need to put some sliders on. So this is the slider button here. You just need to click on it once and just maybe put them in a corner somewhere so they're out of the way. Click on the graph and we want this one to be called A, and we'll have this going. We'll keep all this minus 5 to 5, and we'll maybe make the increment 0.5. So on the slider, every time you move it, it will move 0.5. And we go apply. So there's my slider. Then just click again. Get another one, keep it as B. B we'll keep as minus 5 to 5. We'll keep that one as 0.1 and we'll apply. And the third one, we need 4 of them. Keep it as C. Now this one we're going to change. This one will change to minus 90 to 90. And we'll make the increment 5. And one last one. Oops. Keep it as D. We'll keep it from minus 5 to 5. And the increment, we might make this one 1. Okay, so you should see here A, B, C, D as well on the side there. The next thing then we need to put in a general function. So we're going to put in the most general sine function. So y equals a, where a is this a in our slider, sine, now be careful with the brackets, bracket, b, bracket again, x, now be careful here, you must put degrees, minus c, go outside both brackets, plus d. So all these a, b, and c, a, b, c, d connects with this A, B, C, D. So they will be the same. Press enter. And that looks a bit weird at the moment. So if we make, keep the A 1 to start with, keep the B as 1 to start with, make the C, let's start with that at 0, and start with the D as 0 as well. Something strange. Oh, I know what I've done wrong. You need to put A times sine. That looks better. So you should get a graph that looks like that to start with. Okay, now you're ready to just explore. So on the sheet that you have, the first thing you need to do is play with the A. So the A is the number that's in front of the sine. Keep all the others as these numbers to start with. Only change the one that it tells you on the sheet. So then once we have our sliders set up, we should be able to easily just move them along, play with them, change the numbers, pay attention as you move them. It tells you the number that it's taking on for each of the values. And always, once you've finished playing with that one, always make sure you get them back to the standard. So A should be 1, B should be 1, C 0, D 0. And then just play with the one that you want to investigate. Okay, good luck. Bye.